Cristy Lee here with Driveline Forensics, and today we're going to talk about proper lubrication procedures for steer axle assemblies. The tools you'll need for the job are heavy-duty, number 2 grade multi-purpose lithium-based grease, a grease gun, safety glasses, and rags. Like a lot of rags. Okay guys, this is super important. Never, never, never grease a steer axle before you take knuckle or tie rod end play readings. Because if you do, they're not going to be accurate. All right, so let's do it. So today I'm working on a Spicer front steer axle with a standard knuckle. But if you're working on a top dead center knuckle or an integrated air disc brake knuckle, just watch the text rolling on the screen for instructions. Now, before you start, make sure the vehicle is sitting on a level surface. This is important because if it's not grounded, the grease won't pass through properly, gravity. Make sure to set the parking brake and chock at least one of the rear wheels. Now, what do you say? Let's get greasy? Start by greasing the top bushing of the kingpin joint. First things first, we're going to clean the grease zerk so no old grease or gunk makes its way in. Then we'll push new grease through until clean grease comes out. Keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, there you go. Now we can see the clean grease coming out between the shim pack and the steer knuckle and beam. Now let's move on to the bottom knuckle bushing and the thrust bearing. Same as you did for the top, wipe the zerk first and then keep pumping the grease through until you can see clean grease come out the top bushing. There it goes, and we're good. Now we'll move on to the tie rod end. Pretty much all tie rods grease the same. The biggest difference is the purge. Some have a purge valve and others purge through the boot, but the procedure is pretty boilerplate. Just like before, we're going to clean off the grease zerk, then pump in that new grease until clean grease starts to come out. See? It's right here on the side of the tie rod end. And that's it. Easy peasy and definitely nice and greasy. Remember, if you've got a repair or inspection, you've got help. Just check out the Driveline Forensics library. We will see you there.